Welcome to part 2 of our 3-video series on adjusting the modulating furnace input. In this video, we'll assume you've already viewed part 1, key components and inlet gas pressure. In this video, we'll show you how to check the manifold pressure and how to make the maximum heat manifold pressure adjustments if needed. This should be done before adjusting minimum heat settings. Before you get started, you will need to know the heat content and specific gravity of the gas. If unknown, this information can be obtained by contacting your local gas utility. For a natural gas furnace, the maximum heat manifold pressure should be set between 3.2 and 3.8 inches of water column. For an LP furnace, the maximum heat pressure should be between 12 and 13.6 inches of water column. Use the following steps to first check, then adjust the maximum heat manifold pressure. Make sure the gas supply and power is turned off to the furnace. Remove the 1/8 inch NPT plug from the outlet pressure tap on the gas valve and replace it with a brass tube barb fitting. Connect the manometer tube to the barb fitting on the gas valve. Turn on the gas supply to the furnace, then turn on the power supply to the furnace. Next, jump R to WW1 and W2 at the furnace control board terminals. This will create a call for ignition of the furnace in maximum heat. After the main burners ignite and the blower starts, confirm maximum heat manifold pressure is correct, based on the manifold pressure tables in the installation instructions. If the manifold pressure is incorrect, it needs to be adjusted. Remove the white dust cap on the gas valve to gain access to the adjustment screw to adjust the maximum heat manifold pressure. Insert a small screwdriver and slowly turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to decrease manifold pressure or clockwise to increase the manifold pressure. Turn the adjustment screw no faster than 1 click per second until you obtain the required manifold pressure. It may take several clicks before you see any movement on your manometer. Remember, if the screw is turned too quickly, the valve may stop responding. If this happens, wait a few moments for the valve to catch up. You can terminate the call by removing the jumper wire and restarting the procedure by reinitiating the call for heat. This will reset the valve and allow for additional adjustment. Once you have adjusted the maximum heat manifold pressure, the main burner flame should look clear blue, almost transparent. After adjusting the maximum heat manifold pressure, remove the jumpers across the thermostat connections to terminate the call for heat. Wait for the blower off delay sequence to turn off the blower motor before you cycle off the supply power to the furnace. Now, you are ready to set the minimum heat manifold pressure, which will be covered in the third and final video in this series. Thanks for watching Tech Tips.